Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to add custom icon at the top of your iPhone or iPad screen on iOS 15. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this custom icon is related to your focus mode, where you can enable this feature and it silences alerts and notifications. So let me show you how to get this custom icon. Go to your settings app on your iPhone or your iPad. Now scroll down and tap on focus. Here you'll need to create a new focus mode. So tap on the plus sign at the top right. Then tap on custom. Now choose a name for your focus mode. So for example, I'll name it as snow. Now down below, choose your icon which you want to represent that focus mode. So here I'll choose the snow icon. Now you can change the color as per your choice. Then press next. Here you can choose who to allow or not to allow to get notifications from. You can go ahead and configure this or just press allow none for now. Then on this screen, you need to choose which app to allow notifications from. Again, configure this or tap on allow none. Finally, press done. Now on the screen, enable the snow focus mode and you should see the snow icon at the top left of the screen appear. And that is how to enable custom icon at the top of your iPhone or your iPad screen on iOS 15. If you have any questions for me, then please leave in the comment section down below. Please like this video if you found this useful and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.